Hello friends, in this lecture we will see curve point drive, and this is the second video on this curve point drive multi-axis method. So first of all I am going to create a tool. So click here and I am using this ball wheel, okay, and my tool is here. So just click here. The tool is this. My tool is 4.0, just 8.0, and length and holder, go to holder, and I'm retrieving the folder from the library. I'm using this median compression. Okay, so tool is defined, and now I'm going to define my part. So my part is this, and blank I'm using a geometry which I have already created. You can see here. Okay, this is the geometry. This is my geometry. Okay, hide this one. Okay, now I want to apply this operation curve genetic motion and this multi-axis. So here I am using this variable contour, and I am using finishing operation. Okay, so my cut geometry is this. Okay, part stock I want 0, and my method is this curve and point. Select the curve, and I am using this tangential curve. Okay, this is the curve. Okay, so this. Okay, projection vector is tool axis, and from geometry and tool axis is this. Tool axis is normal to part, and my projection vector is towards line, and my line is this along x-axis. Okay, and now generate. Toolpath is created. Now I want to verify it. Go to verification and 2D replay, and here. Okay, or in 2D dynamic. So hope you understand how to use and how to create. So this is our second lecture over this curve point drive method.